हम सोच को बंदी बना लेते हैं और किसी को कष्ट में देखकर हमें आत्मसंतुष्टि मिलती है, तो इस समय हम विवध से रस में धुले हुए हैं।
Today, the students of grade 1 are going to educate and enlighten us with their portrayal of Bibhatsya, how we have destroyed this beautiful earth.
सोचो जरा सोचो, ये हमने क्या किया? ये धरती जो खुदा का खूबसूरत देन है, ये कैसे था और आज ये कैसे हो गया?
We are reminded of a quote by the father of our great nation, Mahatma Gandhi. We did not inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children.
अगर फिरदौस पार हुए ज़मीयाज़, हमियाज़ तो हमियाज़ तो हमियाज़.
If there is paradise on earth, it is here, it is here, it is here. Says the famous poet Amir Khusro. Kashmir, the ultimate paradise on earth, known for its scenic beauty, the gardens, the lakes, the greenery, and the snow-capped mountain, cradles itself in the lap of the majestic Himalayas. Houseboats and the silent music from the overlapping mountains and the deep valleys still dominate the beauty. A legend of Kashmir says that at one point of time there was a beautiful lake here, beloved to the gods. The gods played happily by this lake. Till a demon began to haunt the land. The villagers sought the help of a holy man who drained the waters of the lake and thus created the Valley of Kashmir.
कहा जाता है कि कभी यहाँ एक सुंदर झील हुआ करता था, जो देवताओं को भी पसंद था। एक दिन एक दानव यहाँ मंडराना शुरू कर दिया। गांव वालों ने एक साधु महाराज से मदद मांगी और उन्होंने इस झील के पानी को सुखा दिया और वहाँ उत्पन्न हुई कश्मीर की घाटी।
Kashmir is known all over the world for set like a jewel crown on the map of India. It's multifaceted diamond, changing its hues with seasons, and is always extravagantly beautiful. Jahangir, son of Akbar, also found the natural paradise of Kashmir captivating and built various gardens in Srinagar. While one day he was on his way to Kashmir, he became ill, and when he was asked to express his last wish, he said, Kashmir and nothing else.
Chennai, one of the 4 metropolitan cities with its scintillating natural beaches, is known for its exquisiteness and vivacity. It offers some of the beautiful beach resorts. The Marina Beach, the Golden Beach, the Koblong Beach are not only fishing hamlets but also a soothing recreational quarter. Early morning, you'll get a chance to see the splendid scenic view, together with the calm sea, shimmering white sand and cold breeze.
Yeah.
third largest city on the eastern coast of India. Situated on the eastern Ghats and on the coast of Bay of Bengal, it is a merchandise town. Famous for its heavy industrial steel plants, the largest seaport of India and the oldest shipyard, it has a cosmopolitan mixture of people. Vizag is known to be the most secure natural harbour in Asia. From lakes to cool beaches, from beautiful hill ranges to caves and valleys, Visakhapatnam has them all. The district has many tourism spots that represent the culture and heritage of true India. has still not come out of its Great Depression.